How to deactivate Slack account. Time to move on. Here's how to deactivate your Slack account. Open your Slack and click on your profile icon. There you can see the option of preference, which is a setting in Slack. So simply tap on it. Over there you can see the option of account settings. Simply tap on it. There you can see password, two-factor authentication, email, time zone, language, sign out of all. Here you can see the option of deactivate. So I am the primary owner of VOSA, so I cannot deactivate. So I have to transfer my ownership first, then only I can deactivate. Tap on transfer ownership, but you guys can simply delete it by simply tapping on deactivate the workspace. Like that you can simply deactivate your workspace.